Hi, I'm Luciano and I work on the European marketing team. As many of you know, World Mental Health Day is on 10th of October, which brings awareness to mental health education, advocacy and social stigma. This year, I'm excited to take you through a guided meditation, which is a tool I use daily to support my mental health. It helps me de-stress and be more present in my day-to-day life. Before we get started, I just want to give you a quick advice on how this meditation is going to work. First, focus on your breath. So breathe in and breathe out. This is mindfulness. Second, you just need to follow my guidance. And third, enjoy the meditation and relax. I recommend you to meditate twice a day. First thing in the morning before work, before checking your work emails. And second, you can do that as well in the evening, so before go to bed. So I'm sure that you meditate in the evening, you have a really good night of sleep. Without further ado, let's get started. Make sure you are comfortable on your seat and no one will interrupt you. If you want to make your room a little bit darker, it's even better. Now it's time to close your eyes. Breathe in and breathe out. Now take a deep breath. Bring your awareness to your body. Breathe in and breathe out. So your body now is so relaxed. You can feel your legs so light. You can feel your arms so relaxed right now. Enjoy this moment. Feel the happiness in this place. Feel the gratitude. Feel peace. Feel how happy you are right now. Now take a deep breath. Keep walking in this place, keep enjoying this moment. You are so happy to be in this place. Keep walking, keep feeling the nature. This lake has a crystal clear water. You can see turtles, you can see fish swimming. Everything you see in this place makes you feel amazing. Breathe in and breathe out. Now it's time to get back. So you can start opening and closing your hands. You can start moving your head toward your shoulders. And now you can open your eyes. How do you feel after this meditation? I'm sure that you're feeling amazing. You can do that on a daily basis. In the morning, as I said, in the evening as well. Every time you want to feel good, you just come back to this place. And don't forget to take care of your mental health. Thank you.